Hi Diane and Fabricia, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you guys with a video with some tips and tricks for your website, and I have it up here, and I'm just going to go over 3 things. Number 1, content, 2, backlinks, and 3, citations. And then I'm going to show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So first I want to go over your page. So looking through here, there's not a whole lot on your home page. You have some words here, a little bit of a description, your services provided here, and a review slider. However, you don't have a whole lot of content or words here or keywords, which would really help your site to rank. Not only that, we do suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. Looks like you only have about 100 words possibly on your home page, so you definitely want to increase your content and keywords. Real quick, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and in your content you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. So for example, you guys do hardwood floors. Someone might type into Google floor installation, Atlanta, Georgia, for example. So that is kind of just a quick overview of the content on your site. So I went ahead and Googled and I typed in the keywords flooring contractor in Atlanta, Georgia. And first thing that pops up are these Google Guarantee local ads here. And these have a really high conversion rate of about 40 to 60% from the data that we have collected. And below that is something called a Google Map Pack here. And this Google Map Pack is chosen by consumers 30% of the time. So these top businesses here do get some good business, and I'll go over that in just a little bit more detail. And most importantly, down here below that is the organic search results. And consumers will opt for choosing a business here on the first page of Google 60% of the time. So this is the most important thing that you guys want to rank for, is your website. So you definitely want to get the content up on that. So I actually brought up your competition, which is Georgia Flooring. They rank number 5 position here on the front page. The reason that they rank first in the organic search result is because these first results here are just directories. You have House, Angie's List, Yelp, and Better Business Bureau. Those don't count. So we're going to look at Georgia Flooring's website and see how they're doing. So here it is here, Georgia Flooring Incorporated and their website. You can see here they have a little bit of content. Once again, though, it's not the recommended amount. They don't have a whole lot, probably the same amount as you guys, 100 words or so. But they do have a lot of subpages here that has a lot of information, which also helps your site to rank. So you guys definitely want to have some more subpages as well, and just more content in that area. So next, I want to go over the second thing. So we've got over content. I want to go over backlinks next. So here I have up a page program that I use to research websites. I put your website in here and also your competition in here to evaluate how you both are doing and to just compare your performance. So here are 2 ratings here, a UR rating and a DR rating. The DR rating is essentially a power rating by Google, and the UR rating is essentially a trust rating by Google. And these 2 things are raised by something called a backlink. So you guys have 73 backlinks, and a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest. However, do know that not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevant to your industry and local websites will work the best. If you see here, the UR rating on these backlinks are actually really low. So you definitely want some more quality backlinks. So quality is much more important than quantity. However, let's look at your competition, Georgia Flooring. So you guys have 73. Not the best quality, but your competition has 222. And they have some pretty good quality backlinks here. And you can see that because their UR rating is 23. So they have a good trust rating for Google because of the amount of backlinks and the quality of those backlinks. So I would suggest you guys not only match the number that they have, but also beat them by a few hundred more, probably around 400 or 500 or so backlinks. So moving on, we've gone over content and backlinks. Now I'm going to move on to citations. So real quick, a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And these citations help you rank in this map pack, which I showed you a little bit ago on the search results here. Right below the Google Guaranteed Google Ads, this is the Google Map Pack. And this is extremely important because businesses can generate a huge amount of revenue by being in the top of this Google Map Pack. So citations include directories like Yelp, Angie Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and a few others. That also includes social media accounts too. So the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you'll be able to rank above them. Looking at your citations, you guys have 26 citations, but your competition has 71. Once again, I recommend not only matching that, but also increasing that to probably around 100 to 200 more than they have. And so we've gone over 3 things. We've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. So these 3 things come together and you start to outgrow your competitors. So here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important for you guys to get more business. So they have pretty good traffic coming in per month for their website, so their website's working pretty good for them. Unfortunately, you guys only have a really low rating on yours. So you definitely want to increase these things to get more traffic. So another important aspect is the keywords. You guys only have 28 keywords that you're rating for, but your competition has 230. Once again, you don't want to just match their keywords, you want to increase that. So around 300 or 400 or so. And you want these keywords to be location and service specific, like I stated before. That goes with your service. So that about covers it. I did want to show you a little bit more in detail though. Some of the things that people might look for. For example, Flooring Installation Atlanta, this gets 100 searches per month. Their website's ranking on place 4 for that. Flooring Companies Atlanta gets 100 searches per month. Flooring Installation Atlanta, 90 per month. Flooring Contractors Atlanta, Georgia, 60 searches per month. So there is a ton of people looking for flooring services throughout Atlanta. And I'm not going to go through all these pages and count, but there's quite a few thousand people that are searching for these services, and unfortunately you're just not being found for that, and certainly I'm sure you guys want to be. So that about covers it for today. I just wanted to show you guys this to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence and your website. So thank you guys so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful, and I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is below in my signature. I hope to hear from you guys soon, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much, Diana Fabricio.